I told people, I told the XRP army that adoption in America was coming for XRP. Today, I'm gonna give you a little more detail on that. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Armstrong Crypto. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. Guys, I want to talk about XRP today because something very interesting is going on actually today. A little bit after you guys are going to see this video, there is going to be an official panel at the XRP, at the Ripple Labs headquarters in San Francisco, hopefully giving us some details on what this is going to look like. But guys, adoption of XRP is what we all care about because it allows the American banking system to work more efficiently. And I say we as in, of course, the XRP investors. And that's what we care about. We want to see the banks take on the Ripple software and start settling in the XRP token that they're now required to do with a lot of the products. We're not looking for XRP mainstream adoption where we're all using XRP like Bitcoin or, like it's the new CBDC. Nah, we don't want that. That's not what we want. We want the wholesale adoption because we think that's going to benefit all of us greatly. Now, something really interesting here is that, of course, 90%, it's a real number, 90% plus of all Ripple business is international. It's outside of the country. All of these partnerships they've made with ODL and RippleNet, they make them in the MENA region, that's the Middle East and the North Africa region, the APAC region or the Asian Pacific region, in South America or Latin America. You're seeing them do big moves there. But in America, it's been quite silent. Why? Well, because of the SEC case. And now there is some conversations that there's going to end up being a $10 million XRP settlement with the SEC that could end this entire thing. Now, I think the SEC was asking for 100 million or 500 million. So 10 million sounds about right because Library actually negotiated their settlement down to 1/20th. So those numbers might not be that far off. And so I think they would gladly pay the $10 million, not to pay their lawyers any more money, of course. But the fact is that when it comes to adoption here in America, the product lead, his name is Oliver something. Can't remember the guy's last name. Sorry, butchered it. But he actually put out a tweet, or I think it was a LinkedIn post, discussing a few things. And one of the things that he said is that there's about to be big movement. I'm paraphrasing a little bit here. Big movement with XRP when it comes to adoption here in America. Ripple Labs are about to start making use. Here's the big announcement. They're getting ready to make use of a lot of their financial instruments and things that they have there. And it may even be that Ripple's getting ready to launch some new products here in America because of their money transmitter license. Now, they're going to maybe be opening up and doing some different things. And one of the things that Oliver said is that not only are they getting ready to move into America here, is that they're having a meetup tonight at the RSVP is already gone, by the way, of course. They're having a meetup at the Ripple headquarters to discuss, maybe it's tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow, actually. It's tonight or tomorrow? It's tomorrow night. Sorry. Excuse me. It's Wednesday. It's February 7th. That's the day it's going to be. Sorry, guys. I may have lied if I said today. It's actually tomorrow, I think. But the fact is that David Schwartz is going to be there, and they're going to do a panel at this meetup. They're going to do an official meetup. People are able to come and listen to the plan for 2024 with Ripple and what they're planning to do. CTO David Schwartz, of course, not a great haircut, but a brilliant mind. Some think he may be Satoshi. I like to think Satoshi has a better haircut, but I digress. But the fact is he's going to be there, and there's going to be 2 other people from the Ripple team there, I believe. They're going to, maybe 3 other. I think there's 4 people total. I think Monica Z, I think, is one person that's there. But it is going to be amazing, and we got to see what's going to come out of that. If you guys are attending or you have anybody that's attending, man, it would be great if we could get some of that on video. Maybe I could react to it because they're supposed to give the plan and the forecast for what Ripple is planning to do for 2024. Now, one thing I'm planning to do in 2024 is get all of you guys to sign up for Stake, of course. They are the sponsor of the Ben Armstrong Crypto X channel. Ben Armstrong Crypto X, of course, is powered by Stake. I won't flex my bicep for you guys today, but I will tell you that it is the world's largest social casino. And if you want to create an account, go play some games, have some social chat, maybe talk with some dealers, maybe win. Make sure to hit it up. QR code on the screen, link in the description. But now let's talk about the XRP price for just a minute because the price is around, 50.5 cents. It's been hovering. Bitcoin looks like it may be getting some momentum. We've got green dots all over Market Cipher. We've got positive signs. An entry on the daily chart for Bitcoin which is absolutely very rare on our high IQ indicator. You can check high IQ out as well, link on the screen in the description. But the fact is that XRP just hit, I think it just hit a green dot on market cyber on, I think the 4 or the 5 day. I believe I'm correct on that. And it really looks like it's getting ready to rip. And I've been doing a lot of analysis on the XRP price, a lot of analysis, looking at bull runs, comparing bull runs. And here's the thing, guys, XRP is probably the hardest coin to predict in the market. Why? Well, you have Bitcoin, and let me give you its gains, previous all-time high to new all-time high for the last 3 cycles. 37x, 17x, 3.5x. Now let me give you XRPs. Now these are rough numbers, okay? 12x, 61.5x, negative 50%, negative 0.5x. It's hard to find a pattern, and we know that the last market cycle was cut short and suppressed due to the SEC lawsuit, and now that's gone. And I think it's very clear what's going on, guys. It is very clear at this point. There's a massive whale accumulation going on right now on XRP. Yeah, the numbers back that up. But look, I believe that there is a great chance that XRP does cross over $1. And I'm trying to come up with exactly when I believe that is going to happen. When will XRP get to $1? And I think once it hits $1, it won't be too long before it hits $2, I believe. I want to say Valentine's Day, but it looks like it's just getting a little bit too close to that. And I do expect as we head into March, altcoins really to start ripping. There's a lot of evidence to back that up. People are showing charts and things. And I do believe, here is my official XRP price prediction. I believe that XRP is going to hit $1. Is it leap year? Is it a leap year? I think it's leap year. $1 on leap year. That's what's going to happen. Because what's going to happen is the haters are going to say it never happened. That's what they're going to say. So there you go. Now, if you want to trade XRP, you can do it with my exchange partner of choice. That's right, Phemex. All you got to do, sign up down below in the description or use the QR code on the screen. Then go get your Palau digital ID like I have. Now I can trade with peace of mind on Phemex and take part in all their cool interactions, their NFTs, everything. A lot of altcoin trading there. Go check them out. So there you go, guys. XRP to $1 on February 29th. I believe we're going to see it. If not, I'll do something ridiculous. You guys drop some comments down below. Let me know what you want me to do if it doesn't happen. I can't dress up like a leap. I don't know. Maybe I'm definitely not dressing up like Dua Lipa. Don't dress like a lady. Some guys are into that. I'm not. All right, guys. That's all I got. Make sure you hit that like button on your way out. It helps us keep the lights on. Be blessed.